This short tutorial video is about how to install DSS 8 Pro or DSS Express to your computer. So let's start. First, obtain the installation package for DSS. Once the installation starts, you will be asked to proceed with the agreement. So you need to agree with our conditions. Then you are going to choose what kind of server you are going to install. Main server or master server or sub server. Actually, each domain or each installation needs to have at least one master server. Then to one master server you can connect up to 20 sub servers. So if this is the first server in your project, go with the main. Choose the path and then install. The installation process can take up to 10 minutes. So please be patient and wait until the installation completes. Once the installation is complete, you will see the following window. So just click on Run. First thing what you need to do, you need to set up the default LAN card, the default network card for your server. So choose the one which is connected to your server. Then you got the option to go with the TLS or you can go without it. It really depends on your preferences. Once the server is on, you will see running sign on the top right corner. If you don't have client on your computer yet, you can download it from this link. So just click over here, open. And download the client for your PC. And you are done with installation. Thank you very much for watching the video.